Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Hey everyone, in today's video we're diving into one of the most powerful AI video generation tools available right now, Hailuo version 2. This model is currently ranked among the top 2 on the image to video arena leaderboard, outperforming even big names like Google Veo3 and Kling 2.0. If you're looking for hyper-realistic video generation, consistent characters, and cinematic shots, all from just a text prompt, you're in the right place. Let's break it all down step by step. Now, what makes Hailuo version 2 so powerful? Hailuo O2 has an 85% success rate when dealing with complex and layered prompts. That means it doesn't just understand your instructions, it follows them with remarkable accuracy even when your requests get creative or complicated. From high-speed acrobatics to slow cinematic pans, Hailuo O2 renders movement naturally and fluidly. The motion is smooth, shadows are dynamic, and the detail stays crisp throughout. Unlike Kling 2.0, which sometimes struggles with color saturation or blurry frames, Hailuo O2 keeps everything balanced and visually true to life. Now, one of the major issues in AI video generation is character identity. With Hailuo O2, your characters look the same across frames, scenes, and camera angles. This is a game changer for anyone looking to tell a story or make a short film using AI tools. Whether you're making a short clip or a full visual concept, the model delivers a professional, film-like look. You can render videos at up to 768p for 10 seconds and 1080p for 6 seconds. So this gives you high-quality short-form content for reels, concept art, ads, and more. Now, here's how to get started step by step. So first, go to Hailuo website. The link will be in the video description below, and create a new account. Now, once you're signed up, you'll get a 500 free credits to test the platform. No credit card required. Let's start generating video directly from a prompt. So click on the video tab on the dashboard, select text to video. In the prompt box, write your idea. For example, I have a prompt here. Down here, choose Hailuo O2 as the model. Select your preferred aspect ratio and duration. Select quantity, and after that, click generate. Now this will cost me 25 credits and your AI video will start rendering. So just a tip, be descriptive but focus. The more specific your prompt, the better the results. And let's wait for a while. I have the result right here. And some other examples I've generated. So next, let's move on to image to video. So this is perfect if you have a still image and want to bring it to life. So first step, go to image to video tab. Upload your image, JPEG or PNG works best. Add a prompt to describe the action or the scene you want. Example right here. Select Hailuo O2 model. Choose duration and resolution, then click on create. So the AI will animate your image while preserving the style and structure of the original visual. And here is the result. Amazing. Next, this is one of the Hailuo's O2 standout features. Unlike other AI video tools that lock you into static scenes, Hailuo gives you real camera movement options, a must-have for storytelling. Now, there are two modes you can use. First is cinematic shots, so perfect for creators who want film-style camera angles without needing to write them manually. So to use this, under the prompt box, click the camera icon, choose the cinematic tab. So select a preset like dolly zoom, overhead tracking shot, 360 rotation. The camera movement will automatically be added to your prompt. The second option is free selection, so this one gives you more control. Now, a pro tip, combine both modes with your image or text prompts for even more dynamic visuals. And that's it. Now you know how to use Hailuo 2 to create high quality cinematic AI videos, whether you're using just text, an image, or both with dynamic camera moves. It's simple, powerful, and very accessible. Now don't forget to claim your free credits. Try both text to video and image to video. Explore camera modes to elevate your visuals, etc. Let me know in the comments what prompt you'll try first. And if you want more tutorials like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for updates. See you in the next one. Introducing Complyifi. Get total consent compliance within 60 seconds and grow your business without worries. Unlock the full global potential of your business and get better results on all ad platforms instantly. Complyifi is the ultimate consent management platform. Complyifi meets the requirements of all major consent and privacy laws globally. Supercharge your marketing reach with Complyifi's powerful features. Get compliant, stay safe. Get better results from ads and analytics. Required for retargeting, DPO compliance, cookie compliance, GDPR compliance. Here's the good news. Complying with all of the privacy regulations is as easy as clicking a button to scout your site and putting the Complyifi code on it. Less than 60 seconds and you're compliant. Automated cookie scanning and categorization. Cookie pop-up with easy consent management. Complyifi offers unique identifier for user consent. Complyifi keeps a record of users' consent selection with a unique identifier as required. Allows consent modifications. Visitors can view their consent setting and change at any time they want. Save 90% versus other consent management platforms. Fast and high-speed performance. Complyifi does not slow your website. Google Consent Mode V2 and Microsoft Consent Mode support. Multilingual with automatic language detection. Consent pop-up with dozens of ready-made templates. Fully customizable consent pop-up designs. Data Protection Officer or DPO compliance ready. Target regions and countries with customized consent experiences. Detailed reporting and analytics. Complyifi is powerful and easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Get Complyifi now. Just go to getcomplyfi.in.